Be 2 weeks ready. Waste and Hygiene Plan, Activity 19. Follow along on Toolkit, page 75.
Activity number 19. Build a hand washing and dishwashing station. The goal of this activity is to gather materials before a disaster. Gather and dedicate 3 buckets or containers to be used only for hand washing and dishwashing. Stock up on dish soap and bleach to create your sanitizing solution. Step 2. Build your station. Bucket 1 will be your wash bucket and will contain a mix of soap and water for washing hands or dishes. To get started, pour a bit of soap or bleach into your bucket, then gently add your water. You don't want the bucket to be too full or use too much soap or bleach. Bucket 2 will be your rinse bucket. Fill this bucket with water only. You'll use this bucket to rinse your dishes or hands after washing them in the soap and bleach solution. Bucket 3 will be your sanitize bucket. Fill this bucket with water and a small amount of bleach to serve as the final round of sanitizing for your dishes and hands. This last round is essential to keeping your hands and dishes germ-free.